be revived.
Don't tell me to say out loud what I want to wreck.
Besides, it's better than alternatives.
What alternative?
Oh, I saw the cupcake again, guys. This ain't good.
Oh, right. Yeah, you do got a point there.
Yeah.
A momentary diversion.
Can I say I don't feel very strong about these perks?
No.
Oh. Well, I didn't say it then.
Yeah,
IP said it.
Run all you want.
IP! You sucks! I hate you!
Oh, here we go. Into our doom.
Time to turn the tide.
Okay, ass stuff.
600! 100 more! Shield!
Healing field ready. Running low. See? You
Go up and out!
feeling great. Bullseye.
Down!
Got your back, Carl.
Gotcha.
600 baby! 100 more per burst! That's not bad.
Out.
Healing is possible.
Who needs
Shield!
running low?
There, I have healed you. You see? You there. Stealth. Come on, we got it.
Boom! On target. Switching to shield. Out.
Tracking dart ready.
Dome coming down.
It's fucking working, guys! Woohoo!
Field is ready.
I can't celebrate just yet. Fox, it's double improved heals. Silver and
With
gold.
me, double classical number reduction. So more healing and faster healing.
Tide.
Ha! Saw wet. Didn't get any progress.
That he is!
No, he is not.
He doesn't play with us, so he is.
He probably would have, but he got
But
on
he's
late.
just big shit.
No, Stewie's the one you should yell at. Where the heck is he?
The monster has evolved.
Prepare yourself, friends. It has evolved.
Then again, he probably doesn't need training either.
Careful.
Oh, crap.
See? Shoot there.
Bam! Shot you. Damn right.
Ah, the healing field is ready.
Dome ready.
He's got the... Never mind.
Caves. He's roaring into the caves.
Don't you want the buff?
Fuck
Oh,
about.
crud. IP, no.
Six tracks inside the cave.
Me, creature.
Slow buff is up. Can I take it, please? Come on, cover that exit.
Alright. Yeah, Fox. Terrapin took double class cooldown and we took double improved heals.
There. Bam! Okay, fair fight. Bring it on. Bam! Sharpshooter. Damn right.
Monster trapped.
I have weakened it. That's aim special little fuck you. Almost got a shield. Yeah! Activating cloak. Man, how long did it take to orbit a daddy planet?
Shield!
Healing fields ready. Time to run. Yes, now it will feel real good. That will have to time you over.
Fuck me.
On target. Yeah, that's what you want. Healing is possible. Thanks. Almost got a shield here. All right, I'm on the tracking guard. A hit. That will have to tide you over. Bam! In your face, asshole! Switching to shields. Kill it! Healing fields ready.
Dome coming down.
Now we're talking.
I fucking love this!
He is so slow to get his moves out with those
It
perks.
is weakened.
Let me guess, the jump buff is gone.
I got it. Darted him. Try hard now.
Guys, and now, let's go for the real buff. Real buff.
That's aim special little fuck you.
Whoa, Caspian.
Gotcha.
To me, Casper.
Fire on that panic.
Punish.
Bam! Sharpshooter. You're damn right. Time to get him. Stage 2. You'll die quickly. Healing fields ready. Bam! In your face, asshole.
Hunter down.
You won't see me.
Down!
Got me! Got me! Bullseye!
Yep.
You're almost out of protection!
Real buff now. Now!
Oh, the healing field is recharged. Perhaps it is
He's
better to
got,
wait for that.
not the armor leech, but he's got healing leech.
Casper! Real buff!
A moment. Come
Oh no, Fox,
Oh,
he
fuck's
took
sake.
it. It was in, health regen.
Fuck!
Jesus Christ! Casper, for fuck's sake!
The monster's right here! Someone help me out!
See it, Fox? The bar?
Shit! Help!
What the fuck was that?
Albino here.
Okay, ignore him, come.
Help me up!
Come, Sludge.
Feel better?
He's coming.
Of course you do. Die!
Hunter returned to the dropship.
Who needs a shield? Healing fields ready. Self-activated! This is my hydro!
Hunter down.
I am ready! Well, I'm dead! That will have to tide you over.
Reload!
Oh no.
Healing fields ready.
Dome.
Jesus Christ, IP! What the?
Got shields on you.
There, I have healed. Okay, I'm here. Where's the fucking monster? Now, while its armor is weakened.
Hunter down.
Time to get heavy. No, you don't like that, do you? Ain't too easy. Your armor is gone.
Excuse me.
Yes. Can't fight that thing without me. Help! Owen! Lazarus, the right to that.
We're too far away, Slide, sorry.
Hunter down.
Both on. Healing is possible. This shall be. I'm down! Switching to shield!
Monster trapped.
I'm out! Gotcha, son of a bitch! Suck it! You see? Shoot them! Healing is possible! Boom!
IP, you didn't take the improve healing perks. You fucking asshole! I
Yeah, no
hate you.
shields.
Hunter down.
Got you! Up by fire!
Come on. We can wreck this sucker.
Coming down.
I'm on the dog gun! Feel better? Of course you do! Hey! Help me out! Time to get heavy! Shield guard!
Next time when I tell you to pick them, you fucking pick them.
The monster has evolved.
Stage 3!
Barrage. No.
I'm not close enough.
The relay is vulnerable. Get in range.
A hit! Target that spot! Bullseye! Let's stop! Shields get low!
We shouldn't even grant these guys the time of day to play.
That same special little fuck you! That's it! Doing real damage now! Out! On the dark gun! Tag him! Suck it! It hit my hot rod!
Hunter down.
So close.
Die!
Is this stupid?
On target! Healing is possible! Feel better? What do you do? You need to pick me up! I have weakened! That's all I got!
Relay shield at maximum strength.
Time to run! Healing fields ready!
I don't know.
Yeah, this is what you want! You're almost out of protection! What are we targeting? How will hit it? It is weakened! It's done! Fire! Tracking dart ready. Ah, the healing field is ready!
IP,
Dome.
you won't believe this,
Feel better? Of course you do.
but let it be known
It's right out there.
publicly that I apologize to you.
We'll take
For
you
what?
down, man. No matter how big you get.
He was right.
Suck on this.
Not about partner, but also in general, because
Healed you.
we really need to do a lot of damage and quickly.
Ah, the healing field.
No, we can get him. Death by 1,000 cuts style.
You're right, IP. My head's down to you.
Oh. Somehow I don't like to hear that.
What? He admitting that I was in error?
Yeah.
I hit.
Why?
Right on target. Yeah, this is what you want. Bam! Flat paper, baby. Help.
Monster dome.
Healing fields ready. Looks out. Through the shield. Got to butter up. That will have to time you over. Almost out of shield here.
Ah, no more shields.
Don't shield him when he has defense metrics.
Recharge. Perhaps it is better to wait for 10.
Oh no, you don't.
Finally! Get tarnished into this bullshit armor! Dragon dart in! Get ready! Feel better? gun ready.
Run!
The healing field is recharged. Perhaps it is better to wait.
Got them.
Time to
Oh yeah, got them.
You should have evolved into something that
Perhaps I should indulge in the goddamn.
Gotcha. Over fire.
got me. It's got me. I'm covering you, Parnell. That's all I got.
There, I have healed you. Healing fields ready. Good gentlemen. I have weakened.
Yeah!
Hunters win.
We need DeLorean.